Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the RSI indicator in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader, then go to this F icon here at the top. You will see here find indicator, click on it and type RSI. Then choose this one, relative strength index. Click on it. And now we have here the panel name, the source, and the period. You can change the period if you want. We have here the color, the type of the line, and the thickness. Okay, you can also change it. And we have here the levels. We have 30 and we have 70. Most of the people use these two levels. Okay, if you want to change them, you can change them, for example, like this. Okay, if you want to add another level, you can add, for example, the 50. So click on add level here and type here 50. Okay, and now you can change also the color of the levels from here. As you can see, the thickness again and the type of the line. After that, just click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our RSI. Okay, now this one is the 30 level and this one is the 70 level. Okay, so here we have oversold and here we have overbought. Okay, and this one is equilibrium. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.